Are you curious about how sociology helps us understand and tackle today's biggest social challenges? In Social Problems, Continuity and Change, Dr. Tim McLean takes us on a journey rooted in the original mission of American sociology, to reduce social inequality and improve lives, especially for marginalized communities. Inspired by early sociologists from cities like Atlanta and Chicago, this book embraces what's called service sociology, a commitment to not just study social issues but to find real solutions. Dr. McLean offers a clear, sociological perspective on contemporary social problems, helping us see how these issues persist and evolve over time. Whether it's inequality, race, or other pressing concerns, this work invites us to understand the complexities behind these problems and consider ways we can contribute to meaningful change. If you want a thoughtful, grounded look at social problems and how sociology can guide us toward a better future, this book is a great place to start. Are you curious about how social problems persist yet evolve over time? This book, titled Continuity and Change, dives into the complex world of social issues, showing us that while these problems are long-lasting, they are not unchangeable. It acknowledges the challenges we face but also highlights the power of social research and everyday citizens in driving positive change. Throughout the book, you'll discover inspiring examples of how social problems have been addressed and improved in the past, along with promising strategies that could help solve them today and in the future. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the scale of social issues, this book offers a balanced perspective, recognizing the difficulties but also shining a light on hope and practical solutions. It's a call to action, encouraging us all to use wisdom and will to make a real difference in our communities and beyond. Have you ever wondered how social problems evolve over time and impact our daily lives? This text offers a unique approach to understanding the theme of continuity and change through the lens of service sociology. Each chapter kicks off with a compelling social problems in the news story, connecting real-world events to the social issues being explored. This not only grabs your attention but also highlights the relevance of these problems in today's society. By grounding the discussion in current news, the book makes complex social concepts accessible and relatable, helping readers see how social problems persist, transform, and affect communities over time. Whether you're a student or just curious about social dynamics, this approach provides a clear, engaging way to grasp the ongoing challenges and shifts within society. Have you ever wondered how social problems can actually be changed? This video breaks down 3 powerful ways that change happens, highlighted in special boxes throughout each chapter. First, the Applying Social Research box shows how sociological studies and social science research influence public policies, offering real-world solutions backed by data. Next, the Lessons from Other Societies box takes a global perspective, revealing how different countries have successfully tackled similar social issues, giving us valuable ideas to consider. Finally, the People Making a Difference box shines a spotlight on individuals, nonprofits, and social movements that are actively working to create positive change. These stories prove that ordinary people can make an extraordinary impact. Together, these 3 approaches provide a comprehensive look at how social problems are understood and addressed, inspiring students to see both the challenges and the possibilities for a better society. Did you know that social problems don't just affect adults, they have a huge impact on children too? In each chapter, there's a special section called Children and Our Future that dives into exactly how these issues shape the lives of kids today and influence their futures as teens and adults. This part of the book highlights why it's so important to understand and address social problems, not just for the well-being of children, but for the health of our entire society. By focusing on children, we get a clearer picture of the long-term effects these challenges can have, and why solving them benefits everyone. So, whether it's poverty, education, or health, this section reminds us that helping children now is an investment in a stronger, brighter future for all of us. Ever wondered how social issues you read about actually play out in real life? This PDF introduces a unique feature at the end of each chapter called Using What You Know. It's designed to bridge the gap between theory and practice by presenting you with real-world scenarios related to the social problem discussed in that chapter. Instead of just learning facts, you get to step into the shoes of someone facing these challenges and make decisions based on what you've learned. This interactive approach not only reinforces your understanding but also sharpens your critical thinking and problem-solving skills. Whether you're a student or just curious about social issues, this feature makes the content relatable and practical, helping you see the impact of social problems beyond the textbook. So, if you want to move from passive reading to active engagement, this PDF's Using What You Know sections are a great way to connect knowledge with real-life decision-making. Are you interested in learning about social problems but worried it might feel overwhelming or hopeless? This resource offers a refreshing approach by not only exploring important social issues but also empowering you with practical actions you can take. Each chapter concludes with a What You Can Do section, packed with activities, strategies, and ideas designed to help students dive deeper into the topic and make a real difference. Instead of leaving you feeling stuck or discouraged, this feature encourages proactive engagement, showing that even small efforts can contribute to positive change. Whether you're a student, educator, or just curious, this approach transforms learning about social problems from a daunting task into an inspiring journey of discovery and action. So, get ready to explore critical social issues while also finding out how you can be part of the solution. Welcome! In this quick overview, we're diving into the helpful pedagogical features designed to enhance your learning experience in each chapter. First up, at the beginning of every major section, you'll find clear learning objectives that outline the key topics you'll explore, setting a focused roadmap for your study. As you wrap up each section, key takeaways highlight the most important points, making it easy to review and remember what you've learned. To deepen your understanding, for your review questions encourage you to think critically about the material, helping you engage actively with the content. Finally, each chapter concludes with a summary that neatly reviews all the major points covered, reinforcing your grasp of the subject. These features work together to guide your learning journey, making complex information more accessible and ensuring you get the most out of every chapter. Whether you're studying on your own or in a classroom, these tools are here to support your success every step of the way. Are you concerned about the rising costs of college textbooks? You're not alone, and that's why this message is so exciting. Flat World is making a real difference by offering high-quality, peer-reviewed textbooks that are affordable and accessible in multiple formats. This approach tackles one of the biggest challenges in higher education today, the expense of attending college or university. By providing low-cost, open educational resources, Flat World is helping students save money without sacrificing quality. Whether you're a student, educator, or just interested in the future of education, this innovative model shows how affordability and excellence can go hand in hand. It's a promising step toward making higher education more accessible for everyone.